Imagine if you could cut your learning time by 80% in just 60 seconds. No, it's not clickbait. It's a neuroscience-backed hack that spies, memory champions, and Ivy League students swear by. Today, I'm showing you how to supercharge your brain in 1 minute flat so you can learn languages, master presentations, or ace that certification exam 5x faster. Ready? Let's dive in. Why it works. Your brain stores memories in networks of neurons. The stronger the connection, the easier recall becomes. Traditional study methods rely on repetition over days or weeks. But there's a shortcut. The 1-minute recall loop. It uses 3 rapid steps: preview, recall, and reinforce to ignite your brain's plasticity and lock in information almost instantly. In just 60 seconds, you'll turbocharge those neural pathways. No flashcards marathon, no cramming at 3 a.m. Let me show you how. Step 1. Preview. First, 20 seconds. Preview. Grab your material. This could be a paragraph in a textbook, a slide of bullet points, or a new vocabulary list. Read through it once, focusing on the big ideas. Don't overthink. You're simply orienting your brain to the key concepts. Your goal here isn't mastery, it's familiarity. Think of it as giving your brain a quick map of the territory before you start exploring. Step 2. Recall, 2040s. Next 20 seconds, recall, close the book, hide the screen, whatever. Now, without looking, recite or write down everything you just saw. Even if it's just 2 or 3 points, do it. This active retrieval is the magic. It forces your brain to pull information out of storage, strengthening those neural connections. Don't worry if you miss things. That's normal. The struggle itself is what cements the memory. Your brain loves a challenge. Step 3. Reinforce. Final 20 seconds, reinforce. Compare your recall notes to the original. Highlight or circle what you missed. Then repeat those specific points out loud just once or twice. This targeted review closes the loop, ensuring those ideas stick. Congratulations, you just completed the 1-minute recall loop. You've previewed, forced recall, and reinforced all in under a minute. Why it's so powerful? Research shows that active recall and immediate feedback can boost retention by up to 400% compared to passive review. Add in the spacing effect doing these 1-minute loops at intervals, and you're looking at a 5x speed up in learning. This hack supercharges your prefrontal cortex, the brain's CEO, and cements knowledge faster than any highlighter or passive reread ever could. Real-world demos. Let's see it in action. 1. Language learning. Preview. Read 5 new Spanish words. O recall. Cover the list, say them aloud. O reinforce. Check and repeat the missed words. 2. Presentation. Prep. O preview. Skim your slides' bullet points. O recall. Turn away and list the bullets. O reinforce. Peek and repeat the missing ones. 3. Technical terms. O preview. Scan a glossary page. O recall. Write down the definitions you remember. O reinforce. Review and verbally recite the gaps. See how quick and versatile it is? You can use this on the go waiting in line, riding the bus, or even brushing your teeth. Common questions. Some of you might ask, but what about complex topics? Great question. For multi-layered material, break it into micro chunks. Each loop tackles one chunk. Do 10 loops instead of one 10-minute session. You'll be amazed at how much faster and more confidently you learn. Bonus tips. 1. Use a visual cue. Set a kitchen timer or use an app with a loud beep. 2. Combine with spaced repetition. Repeat loops after 10 minutes, 1 hour, then 1 day. 3. Mix modalities. Preview with text, recall by speaking, reinforce by drawing a quick mind map. Now, here's your challenge. Topic you've been avoiding, maybe that coding concept, or those flashcards you never opened. Set a 60-second timer and run a recall loop right now. Then tell me in the comments how many points you got on the first try, and how many after your reinforced step. If this hack blew your mind, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more brain-boosting secrets. Share this video with a friend who needs to learn faster. And remember, it only takes 1 minute to change your brain's game forever.